Okay, another one of my all-time favourite pictures of my collection. This came out of nowhere, really. I just sitting there one day thinking about cannabis for some strange reason, and I tried to think of an image that I could use to basically idealise this or make it into a iconic image. And I was thinking about pot, the other expressions, pot, cannabis, marijuana, blah blah. Pot came about, and I thought of a pot basically, which is this, obviously a plant pot. And I was thinking, well, I have to have an animal in it, and so I was thinking, what kind of strange animal would live in a plant pot with cannabis and enjoy the whole process? And the idea came about was this little blind mole living in the pot, smoking his cannabis. There you go. And having the cannabis plant on top of his head, really, really enjoying life, and that's where the idea came about, basically.